Welcome to green technology. This is where raw industrial power meets real purpose. When power is uncontrolled, it's destruction. When it's engineered, it becomes efficient. If you want to see how modern technology turns timber, debris, and forests into usable resources, stay right here. This machine isn't here to look polite. It's built to process tree trunks up to 45, 60 centimeters in diameter, and it doesn't hesitate. Dense wood goes in. Fine sawdust comes out. Minutes, not hours. What looks brutal is actually controlled efficiency, raw power doing exactly one job extremely well. Step it up, and it keeps going. 80, 90 centimeters, continuous feed, hundreds of cubic meters of wood per day. No drama, just throughput. A comfortable operator cab, a heavy-duty loader, a track system that doesn't care about terrain. Land clearing stops being slow work and turns into a process. Whole forest sections become level ground fast. Not because it's reckless, but because it's engineered to stay consistent under pressure. Speed plus stability beats chaos every time. This isn't random destruction. Done right, it's precision clearing. And then there's the saw, PTO powered. 50 centimeter logs vanish like softwood under 180 bar pressure. Optimal diameters, 30 to 40 centimeters, exactly where it performs best. No tricks. Built for speed, built for power, built for serious productivity. A 100 tons of force behind a 6-way wedge. One press. A full log becomes firewood. No fuss, no show, just hydraulic force doing what physics allows. Diesel meets hydraulics and wood reacts accordingly. 22 tons of splitting force. No button mashing. No digital nonsense. Just raw, mechanical strength that doesn't pretend to be anything else. Even twisted frozen rounds don't stand a chance. Say what you want, box wedge splitters don't split gently. They dominate. Steel meets fiber, and the outcome is never in doubt. Fast, clean, unforgiving. If you want perfect firewood without destroying your back, this is what that looks like. On-site production done properly. Need chips instead of logs? 250 horsepower, 21-inch capacity. Trees go in whole. Chips come out fast. Don't let compact size fool you. This mobile sawmill handles full-length 5.2-meter logs with factory-level precision. Rugged build, easy transport, clean cuts, no wasted motion, no wasted wood. More power? 275 horsepower. Massive gum trees reduced to fuel-sized pieces like they never mattered. Some machines prove themselves in winter. Frozen wood, adjustable splitter head, no comfort features, just repeatable power that works when conditions don't. This isn't finesse, it's controlled brute force. Firewood prep doesn't have to break you. 7 tons of splitting force. Logs up to 50 centimeters. Effort stays low, output stays high. Old circular sawmills may look outdated, but don't be fooled. Balanced flywheels, belt-driven torque, every cut smooth. Old steel doesn't quit, it just keeps working. Modern motors add precision. Rack and pinion drives crack logs clean even below zero. This isn't a hobby. This is winter firewood done right. Some splitters don't need polish to impress. They just work, again and again. Small trenchers slice soil clean for cables, irrigation, real work. Compact doesn't mean weak, it means focused. Branch, 4 inches, 15 horsepower, no tools, no delays. From fallen giants to tangled mess gone. DIY machines still surprise when built with sense. PTO safety shutoffs. Field-tested logic. Scrap metal, yes, but engineered, not guessed. Chaos turns into order when capacity hits 600 millimeters. Full-length trees, massive splitting drums, firewood in seconds, not because of magic, but because of scale. Homemade processors, 6 kilowatt motors, high volume, low cost, efficiency without branding. Some systems save time, fuel, and backs all at once. Those are the ones that matter. Old-school saw benches turn tractor torque into accurate cuts. Simple, heavy, reliable. In the right hands, simplicity wins. Automated sawmill systems don't sleep. Conveyors feed. Chippers bite. Rollers don't stop. Production flows because every component knows its role. Even backyard machines have their place, if built honestly. Simple, rugged, effective. Compact diesel shredders, dual feed rollers. Trusted by professionals for years, not because they're flashy, but because they last. Drum saws built in garages sometimes outperform factory rigs when creativity is backed by understanding. Precision saws glide through timber, stacking perfection, pass after pass. Craft meets scale. Custom supports turn chainsaws into precision tools. Safer cuts, straighter lines. One smart tweak changes everything. Even manual system springs, leverage, human force still prove that good mechanics never go out of style. Two-in-one machines save time, but demand respect. One mistake is all it takes. Hands are priceless. Machines don't care. Biomass harvesters don't waste material. They turn branches into fuel. PTO-driven, high output, designed for sustainable use when sustainability is treated seriously, not as marketing. Green technology isn't gentle, it's precise. And when used right, nothing is wasted. "36-inch capacity drums don't struggle. They finish." This isn't about spectacle. It's about efficiency, responsibility, and understanding what these machines actually do. And when jobs get big, truly big, 950 horsepower answers the question. Massive piles disappear. Feed systems stay smart. Control stays tight,